Welcome back to Zacchus. I'm so glad you joined me for another video. This is gonna be an awesome video. You're here to see this amazing shoe, the OnCloud CloudFlyer. Let's get into the pros and cons of this. Here we go. Okay guys, a really quick video on, just wanted to tell you about a shoe I found. If you haven't seen my Kizik video, a lot of you commented on there. Great for like daily stuff, but what about walking, running? And I wanted to tell you about what I found, what I love, especially as a bigger guy, walking around, doing tours when I go out of town, like overseas, or when I just go to like Universal, Orlando, and I'm walking across 3 parks and all kinds of city walking, you know, just doing a lot of walking. What is the good shoe for me? This is the good shoe. I tried so many, and I saw, you know, just like I always do in all my stuff that I buy, I do a lot of research. I look, I think about it. I look at color, the sole, the longevity of it, all that stuff, right? And so this is actually my second pair. I wore out my first pair over a year, just all the walking I've done in them. I still wear them just for like daily stuff, but I needed something a little bit more fresh and new for some stuff I've got coming up for you guys, some trips and stuff we're gonna be doing, and needed to be doing a lot of walking. And so I wanted to let you guys see this brand new before I even put them on. You can see the paper still in there, and just see if, you know, I'm sure you're looking and thinking, is this good, is this bad? I love these. I tried several different colors. I got the black one with the white back, and a couple others, but this is the one that just really liked. I mean, it's not like a dress shoe, obviously, but it's just really cool looking. It stands out, but not too much, and it just holds up really well. I mean, a year for me is crazy good for a shoe that I put through its paces. I'm talking about hours a day of walking over a year, stuff like that. Walking, you know, for exercise, or walking, doing tours, walking, doing business, traveling through big airports. Lots and lots of walking. I need a lot of support. I need a lot of cushion, and I need something that's not going to come untied really easily, and that's just really solid. And I used to do Nike, but I kind of left them behind because of all their wokeness, and it just kind of, because their shoes are just getting cheapy looking and cheapy feeling. And I've tried New Balance and all that kind of stuff, but I wanted something new, fresh, and cool. And someone told me about this, so I bought a couple pair and tried them on. Stuck with this one. This is my second pair. Second pair is called the CloudFlyer. And of course, they have all different kinds of colors, and they have ones for men and women. So this is for men. But it's OnCloud. They're a great company. I don't know a lot about the company itself, but I know they make a great product. And if you go somewhere like Universal, or you go somewhere, you know, where there's a lot of people on vacation and stuff walking around, you're gonna see this shoe and all different colors of the shoe and variants of the shoe on men and women. I mean, it is crazy popular, but it's not popular just for looks. Even though it's got a really nice look. I mean, just really nice look. And really great sole. It's popular because it's made so it's light. It's super light, and great sole. Look how thick that sole is, and then great padding, and you can stick extra padding in there if you need it. I don't need it, so just go the way that I'm going. I mean, the way it comes. But I just want to do a quick video. I mean, there's not a lot to say about a shoe, you know. You get them out, and you put them on, and you wear them, and you basically, your concern is, you know, is it the sole, and does it feel comfortable? Is it padded enough? Does the lace work really well? All that kind of stuff. So, I mean, they're crazy amazing. You got to try them. They just are really awesome. And I've had them like for a while now, and I just, like I said in some of my other videos, the whole point of Zach is to tell you about products I'm buying and trying, to give you honest reviews. They don't know who I am. I'm not affiliated with them. They don't know who I am. But sometimes I forget. I just did a video on routine that you're gonna see up that I've had for like 3 or 4 years that I just completely forgot to tell you guys about. And I was buying this new pair flying back from Universal, my last trip a couple weeks ago. And I was like, I haven't told Zachus about these. So I've got to put these on a video and tell you guys about them and tell you the good and the bad. So the pros are, they're great. The lace holds up really great. The soles are really thick. It's very cushioned and comfortable. It holds weight like me really well. They're light as a feather. They move really good. The cons, I don't really know if there's a con. I'm trying to think of one right now as I'm talking, but I don't really know of one. They're super comfortable. They haven't rubbed me raw or anything. The back's really easy on my heel and stuff. I just can't think of a con. I mean, they're really, really great. I mean, you've got to try them. They sell them on Zappos, on Amazon. They sell them at REI. You can get them at Shields. You can get them all kinds of places. I buy mine usually at the cheapest place I can find them. Usually that's Amazon or Zappos. But these I bought from REI because they had my size and stuff, and I was looking for my size. These are mediums, and they're 11s. So that's my size, mediums and 11s. But you can get them wide, you can get them EE. If you can't find this color, don't worry about it. They have tons of other colors you'll love. The most important part is that they support you and that they take care of you and make you comfortable walking. Because when you're doing a lot of walking, it is vital that you have a good pair of shoes that's going to support you and take care of you. If you don't, you're going to be in pain all day. You're going to be wishing you had this shoe because it is amazing. It is awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. Cancel at any time. Become part of the Zachus Nation, and you'll get notified first when I put up videos like this. And the whole point of Zachus is just for me, whatever I'm buying, to tell you guys about an honest review. Not paid here. I spend my own money on this channel. As you can see, there's, we're almost to 7,000 subscribers, but we're going up and up. Hopefully we'll be to 10,000 by the end of the year. But it's not about all that. It's really about you, helping you find out about good products, finding out cool products that are gonna make your life better or easier or just more fun, and giving you honesty to see if you really like them or if they're not good, if there's problems with them. Because a lot of times, you see ads, they're just like, oh, I love them, I love them, I love them. And then you get them and it's like, huh? And you might not like these. Not everybody is gonna love them, but for the most part, I can't see why you wouldn't. They just feel amazing. Just make sure you get the right size. These are true to my size. I wear 11s in all my shoes. I do occasionally have to bump to 11.5 or even 10.5, depending on the shoe manufacturer. But these are true to size, and I just love them. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I love seeing your beautiful faces, and I hope you're having a blessed day and a wonderful, wonderful week. And I will catch you in the next Zachus video. Peace.